What's up, everybody? DeAngelo here. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. So, I thought I would give you guys an update on the Amazon seller account. So, if you guys don't know, we made this whole account here with no experience, a small budget, the whole 9 yards, right? So, basically, I put myself in the mindset. Well, not the mindset, but like the predicament that most people are in. So a lot of people don't have hundreds of, if not thousands of dollars, to go out and invest and stuff like that. So we took a few $100s and we made an Amazon FBA account, and again had no experience other than simply watching other people on YouTube. So we didn't have a course at this time, nothing, right? Went 100% in, went to Walmart, made all the mistakes, the whole 9 yards and stuff. And we started out with, again, around it's like around $300 or whatever. But check it out, guys. In the course of 4 or 5 months, that $300 turned into over $20,000 in gross sales. That's not bad at all. That's the power of reinvesting and reinvesting and reinvesting and reinvesting and reinvesting, right? Like, that is crazy right there. $20,000. Now, again, that's like all take home or whatnot, but it turned into over $20,000 in sales, right? And that was just with $300. And that's, if I had like done a lot of things differently in the beginning, it honestly would have been a lot better. But again, we had no experience or whatever. Like if you guys go back to like the first Walmart video I made, like literally I was just buying everything and everything that I possibly could. Now I don't even do too much shopping at Walmart. Well, there are a few brands that I buy, and if I go into a Walmart, I always check the clearance section. But 99% of the time, I don't even buy anything over there again unless it's like in brands that that I'm ungated in, because since I got, I do things differently now, obviously, or whatever. But when I first got started, it was just buying everything, right? But then that takes a lot longer to get sales. And then, you got people who are literally willing to buy products for $4, $5 and sell them for $2. So, like, it's just not really worth going down that path when you can just simply go and buy other products. Like now, I'm like really big into video games, stuff like that. Buy the video games for $1 to $3, selling them for 30, 40, 50, and even like sometimes $80 plus for a video game. Like I actually sold this Madden game for GameCube or whatnot for $99.99. I think I bought it for like $2 or $3 or some shit like that. Like ridiculous return on investment when it comes to video games. Then I just recently got into modems and stuff like that. Buying modems from like $5 to like $20. And again, the price varies on those, but normally goes from like 60 to all the way up to like 200 plus per unit on those. So really loving the whole wholesaling stuff as well. But yeah, guys, like that's pretty much it. Like I said, anybody can do this stuff here. Like it's really simple stuff. So far we're at, where are we at? Oh, so our balance is $1,800. Our last payment was $1,031, and today so far we're at $111.20. And for the last 30 days, we're at 4,600, and that's including like that whole big stretch that I didn't really do too much. Like I didn't really do too much on this account because we had the new CPA network and we had a lot of different, a whole bunch of stuff going on. And again, just had to put this on the back burner here. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. Like you guys can check the channel, see all this, the whole thing, because everything's been documented. So you guys can go ahead and watch everything. But just a little quick bonus for the people who made it this far. If you're a beginner like I was or whatnot, don't go to Walmart, right? So again, this is what a lot of people are doing, right? They go to Walmart, go into the clearance section, and then they literally just buy anything and everything that they can buy, right? And since you're a new seller, and if you can buy that particular item, the other million sellers can also go and buy that particular item as well. Now, when you're first getting started, obviously you want to get it, and you want to buy anything and everything that you can within reason. So I would say don't go to Walmart, don't go to Target, don't go to any of those places. Go to the Goodwill, right? The Goodwill is going to be absolutely amazing because you get, like, it isn't like something where there's going to be like 1,000,001 of that item. Now, don't get me wrong. There are some times, like, for example, the Cricut items, the Cricut phone cases. I actually just seen a crap ton of those, and I was going to pick some of those up because they were only selling for $1, and then they normally only, they normally resell for like 15, $20 in profit. But when I went to like, every single Goodwill in my area had those, so there was no point. I didn't even pick them up. Picked up a few or whatever to see if anything would happen, but they were on eBay. People selling bundles of them for like $15, just basically just giving them away. So yeah, pretty much do that in the garbage. But if you like go to like the regular sections and go through and walk through, scan and stuff like that, like you're gonna find one item of everything. So you might actually find some Netgear modems every once in a while. You might find just like brand new stuff, like just like random nonsense. Like I actually found this little home sitter kit thing or whatever. I have no idea what it was, right? But scanned it, it was there for like $20 or whatever. I got it for free because of all the coupons and stuff that I had. And basically it went for like, I think $180. Like I literally got $180. Well, after fees it was like 160 or 150. So basically got like $150, 100% for free, right? The Goodwill gives you $50. Gives you $5 back every $100 that you spend, which doesn't sound like a lot, but once you spend $1,000, that's an extra $50, that you can use, and then all you need is like $50 with the Goodwill anyway. So if you get a free $50 and you buy the right items, boom, that $50 is gonna turn into a lot more than just simply $50 or whatever. So yeah, don't go to Walmart, don't go to Target, don't go to like these retail stores. I would just recommend going to, again, Goodwills, thrift stores, and then just find your items. Like I got like, I want to say like 5 items that I got. If you are a Landshark Profits member, go watch the videos called Gems in Plain Sight. Absolutely amazing. Like those are like all my gems right there. And there's like 4 videos of me going through like just countless gems that I buy and that I see when I go out to the store. So you don't even have to go out and do all that research and stuff. But yeah, guys, that is pretty much it. Don't forget to like, subscribe. If you got any comments and questions and all that stuff, simply drop them down below. But like I said, guys, look at what happened, right? We took $300, put it in here, and it turned into over $20,000 in like literally 4 or 5 months. So I wasn't nothing special. Literally, I had no experience in this stuff. All I did was go to the store and watch YouTube videos and put stuff in the box.